Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I am here with my friend Tracy.
Hello, 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 hello.
And Tasman. And we just got back from Taylor University where we visited the chicken and we went to Hobby Lobby and we took her out to Mexican and my tummy is kind of rumbling still from that. So, I don't know, but I found some good things and we went to the Hobby Lobby in Marion, Indiana, which is not one that Katie doesn't think that they are anything special and they don't have a lot of stuff. But let me tell you, I found a lot of stuff.
Holy cow. It's the peanut gallery, her audience. Holy cow. I'm seeing this for the first time as well.
Yes, Tracy has not seen any of this because she didn't go in with us. Her back was hurting a little bit, so she stayed in the car. And I went in with Katie and we shopped till we dropped. Not really, but like I said, I found things that I've never seen before online or on at my Hobby Lobby, and I am nuts about this little girl and I had to get them, so that's what I did. Do you want this bag too? Tracy takes my plastic bags because in Chicago they charge you for the bags and here they do not, so I let her just have them. So let's show you the really simple things. I got a couple things of ribbon. These were on sale for 50% off, so these were 50 cents a piece. And I just thought those coffee cups were super cute. And I can use them on cards. And then look, my girls. These are my girls. I love them. 50 cents. I had to get it.
Really?
And yeah, 50, there's 6 feet, so there's not a ton of it. 2 yards, but it's still really cute. I don't know if I'm going to pass them to you. And then I found these for 50% off. So they were $2 and they were just really sparkly, glittery with a little gemstone. Probably not something I would get normally, but because they were 50% off and I don't know, I had just used some letters at on my traveler's notebook with Tracy and it kind of just made me excited about them. And they had pink with glitter and sparkle. I was all over it. Aren't they cute? Then I found these little tags. So these are my girls again. And I'm not going to open it because I can't. Well, maybe. I'm trying. Oh. Okay. There's my favorite. Isn't that cute? And there's this one. I love her too. Well, goodness. I know there's more than these two. Oh, here's another one. And here's another one. I just love all of them. So there's those 4. And these were on sale. Again, everything was, Paper Studio was 50% off. So these were $2. You get 24 pieces. And I just thought they were really cute. And I'm even thinking, and I haven't made a pocket letter in years, but I'm kind of thinking about making another pocket letter because I think they're fun. And I found these. These are little mini craft sacks. You get 5 each of 4 designs. And it's like a little mermaid. And this one says Mermaid Dreams. So I think they're really cute. And it's kind of the little girl. I think it is the little girl. I'm calling it the little girl. I found these that I thought were really cute for $1. And you get 2 sides. Same with these little mermaids. $1. Can't go wrong. I have looked at this before and I didn't get it, and so this time I just thought I would get it. And it's just an Agenda 52, but it's by the Paper Studio, so it was half off. And it says, very busy, and I just think that's funny. And this is one of the other little girls that they have now, which I think are awfully cute as well. I just don't like them as much as I'm calling them the original. What?
I love these.
Are they cute?
I haven't seen these the whole time we've been going there.
Well, I would take one of the...
No.
Yes.
I don't need.
Take one. There's 2. I'll punch you in the nose. She's threatening me. You heard her. So this is really cute how it has the little hole punches already in it. I thought that would be kind of neat, but you know, you don't have to use them that way, but super cute. Oh my goodness, I've never seen these before either, and I didn't even really see them there. I just saw that, and I'm like, oh man. So these are cards and envelopes. This says they are A7 5x7 cards, and you get 12 cards and 12 envelopes. And it's just one, how cute is that? Oh my word. That is adorable. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. So there's the card, and then I'm sure that this size envelope for the States anyway would cost extra because larger envelopes always do, but just the envelope too. So pretty cute. And what does it say? Oh, I like it that way better anyway. I don't know what it says, but I think it's 12 and 12. And look at these shaker stickers. You get 2 shaker stickers for $3.99, and her glasses are all shaky. Isn't that cute? My girl. And these tags, you get 12 pieces, and they were $2 with the 50% off, and you get all 3 of those girls. So cute. And then Katie loves unicorns. Who doesn't love unicorns? Come on. And they had these that say happy birthday and the little unicorn, and they're all glittery and taggy and just cute. And you get 2 pieces, so there's 2 of them in here. So they came out to be $2, $1 a piece, which is probably more than I should spend, especially because I could probably make something like it. But man, they're already made and they're so cute. So I got those. I have not seen these. Oh my word. Now I did order these online. I know I did, but when I saw them in person, I was like, oh, I need 2 packs because I need to be able to use one and keep one because I'm a dork. But look at how cute these are. They are 3D stickers, and they have, this one's just called La Petite's Dimensional Stickers Girlfriends 6-piece, and they were $2. And they are so cute. I hope you can see the dimension. So like the bows stick out, the purse sticks out, the skirt sticks out. It's just adorable. So there's those. That's the ones with the dark hair. And then here is a lighter haired version. Same kind of thing. And then here is a blonde version. I think they are adorable. And they do also have another set with dark skin, but they did not have those at this Hobby Lobby. So I got the 3 that I saw, and I was super excited about it. And then there's also these stickers, and the little girl is right there. And she's walking a camel. Why I got these, I really don't know, but they're kind of cute. Happy Hump Day, woot woot. Adventure begins, good vibes only, looking sharp. Hello Wednesday, I don't know, kind of goofy. But at the same time, I've bought weirder things, and my girl is on it, so I had to get it. And Katie was even like, Mom, you don't have to get everything with her on it, but she doesn't know. I'm like, you don't know me. Yes, I do. And here's some more stickers. $2. And the little girl, which I just love. That bow is amazing. If I could wear my hair like that, I sure would. It says, happy girls are the prettiest girls. So fierce. Time to shine. You are so loved and lovely. And it has a little jean jacket. Oh my goodness. So cute. And then here's some more cards. So these are A2-sized cards. And so this one says 12 pack, 24 pieces. So I think you get 12 cards and 12 envelopes. And these are those. So, and they're just one sheet too. And it says, hey girl. And it's foiled. So her bow is foiled and the wording is foiled. And then all of their earrings are foiled. Oh my gosh. It's precious. I need to send these. So cute. And then I found these that I'm going to use in my work planner. And they're just little pockets, but there's 4 of them. This one says, first the coffee, then the things. Then there's one that says, plan a life you love. One that says, girl, you got this. And the last one says, got that boss babe hustle. And this is what they all look like. And they're just little pockets that you can put in your planner. Little pocket folders. And then I got something kind of silly, but you guys know how I've been knitting sweaters and stuff, and I thought this was really cute. It was in the clearance section. It says 3 to 6 months, and it has a little cute little bunny rabbit on it, and you just put it in the closet at the 3 to 6 month section of clothes. So it's kind of neat with my knitting. So I'm going to save it with my knitting stuff for future whenever. But it was 39 cents. It was the only one they had, and I just thought it was too cute to let lay there. So I got it. And I call my daughter Chicken, so I often look at chick stickers or whatever, chick anything pretty much. And these I thought were kind of cute. They're emoticons, so all the little chicks and the bunnies are making little faces. Kind of fun. Thought that would be cute. And Easter icons. These were on sale for 40% off. These were $5.90 or $4.99, and they're just little wooden little Easter icons. And I don't really exactly know what I'm going to do with them, but my first thought was it would be cute to put some of these in pocket letters. And this is, I mean, when I saw these and thought of that, that's when I started thinking maybe I should do some pocket letters. Maybe get back into that a little bit. So I don't know. That's something I'm thinking about doing. And these were in that same area, and they were too cute to pass up. So I found those and got them. And they were $1. And I even was thinking I could cut them up and put some of those in pocket letters as well. Okay, then I got 4 of these. Well, not 4 of the same one, but 4 paper crafting kits. This one is meant to be fab. And you can see it has lots of different stickers. And then it has 10 scrapbook papers, 1 clear sticker sheet, 1 cardstock alpha sticker sheet, and 1 3D embellishment sticker sheet. So here are the 3D embellishments. This one says, "Oh, happy day." And this one says, "Need coffee." But they all have 3D elements to them. And they're really cute. And then, so that's the foiled letters, and then the stickers, and then this is what the papers look like. There's some fun geometric shapes, stripes, flamingos, polka dots, and pineapple. And then I have an idea for Christmas that I want to use a sheet of glittery paper. So that's what I got this for. It was Paper Studio, so it was only $1, and I thought it was really pretty. Pink glitter, can't go wrong. So then I have 3 more of those kits. I got this one, which is kind of, well, it's not kind of, I think it's supposed to be for a baby. It is called Darling Dearest. And these were all $8.99, but they were 50% off. This one has 10 scrapbook papers, 1 cardstock sheet, 1 alpha sheet, 1 enamel sticker sheet, and 19 die cut shapes. So it's a little bit different of a kit, but I thought I could use these not only for babies, but just for fun. I think they're really cute. So here are the die cuts that you get. And you guys know that I love critters. So look at all those critters. Look at that. I mean, I can use this for a card for one of my kids or whatever. I mean, the little deer, they're just too cute. So I got those, and then here's the enamel stickers. They're hearts, and the papers. Here, let me show you those. So there's the alphabet one, which is clearly for babies, but it's still cute. And then the polka dots. Oh, no, it's not polka dots. It has little swans. And then little clouds. And then this paper has just the critters on it. And this one is like trees. They're just super cute. So I don't think it has to be used just for babies. I think it can be used for anything. And then these are my two favorite ones. This one has 10 scrapbook papers, 1 vellum sticker sheet, 1 cardstock alpha sticker sheet, and 1 3D embellishment sticker sheet. So here's the 3D embellishments with my little girl. Oh my goodness, I just love her. This one I think says perfume. Yeah, it says perfume. And this one says moi, or probably moi. And this one says je t'aime, which I don't know what that means, but there's perfume. And this is a little scooter with flowers, and then obviously my girl. So it's just cute as can be. And then the alpha is like flower pattern. And then this is the vellum sheet that you get. And it has my girl loving this life. So cute. So they say, so sweet, je t'aime, I don't know what that means, beep beep, oui oui, have fun, enjoy every moment, and love it. And this one says bonjour. And the papers that you get with this one, 2 sheets with her, a ribbon, the little scooter, little words, and flowers. So I thought that was really cute. So there's that one, and I have never seen this before. And it was, like I said, $8.99 plus 50% off, so $4.50. Bargain at twice the price, if you ask me. And then the very last thing I got is this one. And oh my goodness, my girl with the coffee. This one has 10 scrapbook papers, 1 sticker sheet, 1 alpha sticker sheet, and then 21 die cuts. So holy shamoly. I am excited about this. So has her, which is just too cute. And then, and that's a frame, and then she's in the middle. And then here are the stickers. So you get the shoes, and you get the girls, eyelashes, be a boss babe, do a little good every day, good lashes, good mood, do your hair and wear your hustle, lady bosses, hello lovely, you are a whole lot of lovely. I may not be perfect, but my makeup is. And then here are the papers that you get. So you get one that has like beautiful and glamorous written on it. This one says girls just want to have fun. This one looks like little flowers. Then there's like a cheetah print, and then this flowery print. And then here are all the die cuts. Oh my word. And you get all of these little girls. Ooh, I'm so excited. So that is the last of the kits. I did get a few other things, but they were for Katie. Katie is going to be a teacher, and she is doing a day, she has to teach a full day of school to the class, and she had to have a theme, and her theme is Hawaii. So we found a box of Lay's for $10, but then there was 40% off, so it was like $7.50 for 50 Lay's, and she's going to give one to each of the students. And then I don't remember what else we found. A couple books, I think. I don't remember what else, but the rest of the stuff I got was for her. And then we'll probably do some sort of luau video so that you can see what kind of things she's doing for Hawaii, for her Hawaii theme. I know she's going to make fake airplane tickets for each of the kids, and she's going to give them that. And then when they go to some class and then they come back, and when they come back, she's going to decorate it to like Hawaii. So that's pretty exciting. So that is that. So thanks for watching. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll let you say goodbye to Tracy.
Bye.
And Tasman. He's already sleeping. Bye, guys.